What do you think is the greatest concern facing Florida's environment?
I believe that the biggest concern facing our environment has to be the loss of the Everglades.
I believe that Florida's biggest concern in the environment is the destruction of our wetlands.
Wetlands provide important wildlife habitat as well as function to filter our water supply. The Florida Everglades has been recognized as one of the most vulnerable places to the consequences of climate change. A rising ocean level has the potential to infiltrate the southernmost part of the Everglades system, completely altering the ecology of this wetland.
What do you think is the greatest concern facing Florida's environment?
Car pollution.
The 2001 IPCC report states that transportation accounts for approximately 22% of carbon dioxide emissions. Transportation emissions are climbing at well over 2% a year. Compared to alternatives such as train and bicycle, most cars are very energy inefficient. America is a car-loving and car-dependent nation. The state of Florida will possibly experience severe consequences due to the burning of fossil fuels through car pollution.
What do you think is the greatest concern facing Florida's environment?
I think that we need to learn how to manage our coastal ecosystems better.
I think the biggest concern facing Florida's environment is coastal erosion.
The state of Florida has 825 miles of beaches. 192 miles are managed for restoration. According to the Department of Environmental Protection, 59% of Florida beaches are already experiencing erosion. These areas have low elevation and face serious threats in the face of climate change. Because of Florida's porous coastal geology, it is questionable whether it is possible to protect our coasts. 3 known responses to beach erosion exist: armoring or hardening, nourishment or replacing sand, and retreat. Climate change scientists believe there will be an increase in the intensity and frequency of hurricanes, putting all coastal areas at risk. The state of Florida is home to numerous unique ecosystems and a myriad of animal and plant species.
Every aspect of Florida's environment will be affected by a changing climate. All Florida citizens should know that the effects of climate change are currently the greatest concern facing Florida's environment.